so you use both of these sprays?
I use both of these sprays.
Okay, tell me why
for different
you use
reasons.
which ones, yeah.
This one I'll use if it's a summer day and I'm just going out doing casual stuff, shopping, nothing like the hair.
Casual
it's
style.
just light, more casual style. The wind's blowing, and I don't want my hair to look like it's plastic. So I'll use this one, and I love it because it really doesn't feel like you have anything on. But it holds, yeah, it does.
And then
hold.
how about when do you use this one?
This one I'll use if I'm going out to dinner or I want to make sure that it's going to hold. Oh, sorry, I'm facing it towards me. I want to make sure that it holds and it's going to last all day, and I'm going out some in the evening, so I'll use this, and I'll touch up with this too, because this is never heavy either. Either of these sprays are not heavy. This is what I love about them. This is just as strong, and it's going to last just as long, and it's going to look much nicer, much more natural. My arthritis, again, it's some with a bigger can, sometimes it's harder for me to hold. So a lot of times what I'll do is I'll just get the hair to where I want it to be, and I'll hold it back enough.
With both hands.
And I have to do it with both
Back
hands.
enough, that's so important.
Yes, even under here,
Yeah.
I'll do this with
Good
it,
job.
doing that. And
I
sometimes
taught you
afterwards,
well.
yeah, I watch you a lot. So I'll do it, just fluff it a little bit. I'll do the same thing with this side too.
I love how you're moving
Yeah,
it. You know to move.
Yes,
She knows to move and keep it like a can away.
it's only
Love
taken
that.
me years, but yes, I finally learned. My back tends to separate into a part in the back.
How do you do that?
And I really hate that. So what I'll do is I'll go up here. Now, again, I attempt to make sure, I gotta feel that it hits something back there. And then I let it sit for a minute, and then I'll feel, just to make sure I can feel it, in place. And the one thing you've always been good at, Maria, is if I have any questions, and I need to know how to use it, you tell me, you teach me, you give me instructions. So where are we going now? Where are we gonna go?